HG Dory, and I think I found a new glitch. Get up here, and this is without the fly glitch. Repeat, without the fly glitch. And I just found the spot, and I'm exploring a little bit, so yeah. Wow, you actually can get inside this little wall. I wonder. Ah. Whoa. I'm actually behind this. Holy. I guess this is, I don't know if it's new or not, but yeah, on top of that tower I know it's definitely new, and I can still go through stuff. Where am I? Well, that's the new glitch, so I'll see you guys next time.